My name is Michelle. I'm the new director of the ITS Teaching and Learning Services team, and we're just here to help everyone get online and put their materials remote. Several people have emailed me asking how they could make an interactive lecture using a sort of digital whiteboard that they could record. So I'm just here to do a sort of quick and dirty training video. I'm not going to do much editing, and I certainly did not write a script for this, so I'm doing it ad hoc, but just to show you all one way that you could do it. So the way that I'm going to be showing you right now is using Zoom. Zoom is a webinar tool. You can make a free account. The address is www.zoom.us, and it has apps for multiple devices. So I'm going to show you. I've actually, in this particular case, I've logged up on it on several devices, and I'll show you what those devices are. And then by using them, by using the iPad whiteboard, I can write on it and then capture using Relay on my laptop. I can get a capture of the interactive lecture that I've done. So what you see here is the Zoom app opened up on my laptop. The reason you see multiple images of me is because I've logged into the app on multiple devices. So I've got it on my phone here, and this way I could show you guys what the setup looks like. I've got my laptop, and then I've got a larger monitor that I plug into it, and I've got my iPad set up here. Really, you only need two devices to make this work. You just need your phone and a laptop, or your iPad and a laptop. I think Samsung also has Zoom apps, but I'd have to check that. And by having that set up, then you can write here on this using a stylus, or here I've got my iPad pencil, and then you can have that captured on the screen where I've opened Relay and I've captured the Zoom window here. So now I'm going to show you how that would look. Okay, so now what I'm doing is I've got my iPad set up here, and I've got Relay capturing the Zoom shared window up here, and I've got my cat playing with a pen. The perils of working at home. So on my iPad, I'm going to share, click share, and then you click whiteboard, and then I get the whiteboard on my iPad, and then I should be able to write on it. And you see that because I'm doing it on the iPad, but I've got the same session open on my laptop, I just opened my own personal room on all the devices. So it's just multiple instances of my own Zoom room, personal room. And I've got Relay recording the laptop. It's now capturing what I'm doing here. So for math teachers, chemistry, physics, this could be incredibly useful for making asynchronous lectures for your students. So now I'm going to stop sharing this, and I'm instead going to share an image. And then I can choose pen, and then I can also write on this. So you can add in images that you wanted to annotate or make notes on. So that's another thing that you can do with this. And I don't know if it'll show them all. Let me see. No, it's not showing it on there. It's only on the iPad. So I'm just going to bring this over so you can see what my iPad sees. So here on my iPad, you'll see there's a menu of items along here. And so you can share files from your Google Drive, your Dropbox, your OneDrive. You could bring in a PowerPoint. So you can do a lecture capture of multiple different media, and you can share a website URL. So we'll try that next so you can see what that looks like. So I'll do a website URL, and I'm just going to do Google. But then Google comes up, and I'm recording it up here. So you see on my iPad, I just brought up Google, and then I've got it on the lecture capture up here. So then I could also show websites. So this was just a kind of, quick and dirty video to show you one way that you could do lecture capture of multiple different medias. It could be websites, it could be an interactive whiteboard that you write on, it could be a PowerPoint presentation that you've made, it could be images that you want to show students, it could be other documents, it could be PDFs. You can annotate, you can draw, you can write, and you can then capture it all using URI's video repository tool Relay. And this was actually the first time I've used Relay after I attended Lisa's training. So this was my opportunity to get to learn how to use it, and I find it's a fairly simple tool. This wasn't too hard for me to do. So if you want any help doing any of this, be sure to stop by, or no, don't stop by. No, remember this is an ad hoc video. I did not script this. Don't stop by and see us right now. Submit a service desk ticket or send us an email, or make a post in our Facebook group, and we're happy to help you learn how to do this, okay? Hope this will help.